Procrastination will kill your spiritual journey. We read the Word. We know what it says. We pray about it. We understand how God is calling us to live our lives. And then, we put that off until tomorrow. And as we put it off until tomorrow, we give ourselves time to rationalize on why this shouldn't have to affect us, on why we should be able to just keep on doing whatever we want to do and not have to sacrifice and not have to surrender. Jesus promises you that if you put your faith in Him, He's going to speak to you. Through His Word, by His Spirit, He will absolutely speak to you, and His Spirit will guide you into all truth. But see, part of that truth is how you're called to live your life. And if you are always putting how you're called to live your life off until tomorrow, that tomorrow is never going to come. If you want your life to change, stop rationalizing and start responding.